Files shared on WhatsApp, such as photos and documents, are often critical to customer conversations. Until now, these files could disappear automatically due to built in limitations. With this release, all WhatsApp media is now automatically stored in the CRM for up to 1 year with additional manual saving. Let's check how to use it. Access a WhatsApp conversation on the Contacts or Conversation section. Click the three-dot icon under any WhatsApp media attachment. In the Added options, select Add to Documents. The file is saved instantly to the Contacts Documents section. The automated save prevents lost WhatsApp files due to 7-day or 30-day limits, which, in combination with the manual system save, allows you to efficiently organize your files and provide an exceptional customer experience. While all WhatsApp media is automatically stored for 1 year, adding files to documents helps you keep customer records clean and complete, making it easier to provide a more professional customer experience. We hope you enjoy it.